Welcome to Sky Trek Tower, the tallest freestanding structure in all of Lake County. As we embark on our ride, we ask that you remain seated with your hands and feet away from the windows. The cabin you are sitting in will carry you to the top of this 330-foot tower, providing spectacular views of the surrounding area. On a very clear spot on the window, you might be able to see the Chicago skyline. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the bird's eye view from the tallest ride at Great America.
That's Human too. Wizard never opened.
Provide a season of endless excitement with several festivals that start in June and continue through October. These festivals will have fun, food, fireworks, and fight. Although we promise the fight won't come out until the fall. As we ascend the tower, you can see our two wonderful parks, Six Flags Great America and Hurricane Harbor Chicago City, on 300 acres of land. Looking out over Great America, you can see why this park is a thrill seeker's paradise. Across the skyline, you'll see our 16 world-class roller coaster experiences. With such an incredible collection of thrill rides, Great America is proud to offer more than 20 million rides each season. Great America is home to 3 children's areas geared towards thrill seekers.
Beautiful sunset.
I think I found it.
You'll find Camp Cartoon in Yukon Territory, County Fair, and Hometown Park in Hometown Square. These rides promise to give kids a thrilling experience just right for their height and age. Outside of our children's area, we have attractions for the entire family throughout the park, some of which include the Big Easy Balloons, Chubasco, the Columbia Carousel, and the Great America Scenic Railway. Want to take the family far out without? Try these rides out. Hidden in the trees of Hometown Square, take a ride on our...
Yeah, I can't see Chicago either.
One of Great America's original attractions
It's better than it was this morning. Oh yeah, it was real hazy.
This morning I couldn't see Sky Trek Tower from Joker.
Wow. It was hazy, like I was going by O'Hare and there were just planes just coming out of the clouds.
Like now. A hometown fun machine, both located in Hometown Square. Or head back to County Fair and get dizzy on Fiddler's Flame. For our intermediate thrill seekers, we've got some rides for you. Head over to Southwest Territory and take a ride on Viper. This wooden roller coaster is modeled after the classic Cyclone at Coney Island. Get rocked in the coils of Viper as it twists you around its many hills and lateral G's. Viper has got the drops. Now flip on over to the Joker. On this thrilling adventure, you'll soar outside the track in wing cars, facing other riders as you travel up a 90-degree lift, 120 feet in the air. You'll somersault the wall, dropping down 2 free-fall raindrops and experience at least 6 witless head-over-heel flips. As the Joker stretches through the DC universe, you can't just walk by without giving it a try. Want to take your thrills to the extreme? Well, you've got to try these rides out. Max Force is the fastest launch coaster in North America, reaching speeds of 78 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. This incredible record-breaking coaster features the fastest inversion and the tallest double inversion of any roller coaster in the world. Prepare to achieve new altitudes on Sky Striker, a high-flying soaring adventure. Hold on tight as Sky Striker takes you 172 feet into the air, swinging to the sky at speeds of up to 75 miles per hour, taking unique views of Great America as you soar along 130-degree swings of the towering pendulum, nearly going upside down. As you swing through the clouds, you will also spin around, adding even another dimension to this maximum thrills experience. This first-of-its-kind ride for the park creates a free-fall sensation like no other. As Sky Striker brings you back down to Earth, you'll already be ready to go on your next journey through the sky. As we make our way back down Sky Trek Tower, please remain seated until the cabin has come to a full and complete stop. At that time, please exit the cabin through the doors facing Max Force. Thank you for riding Sky Trek Tower, and thanks for visiting Six Flags Great America. Have a great day.
Some of those Coke recycle bottles went down the water coaster.
Oh, that's I think that.
Wow, no. Yeah, they got both trains going, so that's nice. Don't you wish they could just let you out in that wizard train as it's still cycling? Like, come on, put me on there. You said that about Skytrek earlier. You're like, I want to ride. And here we go. We just got lucky. After our pizza, we're like, it's open. There's riders. Let's go.
I was right. They didn't make it on our ride.
Literally missed the cutoff, right?
I still have time to break and we're not stopped.
Yeah, it's not fully parked.
I'll make sure that joins its way in here at bottom.
Ladies and gentlemen, now the riders come up, focus please down, evening now, exit towards the world fastest accelerating roller coaster, backboard!
We made it alive.
Ladies and gentlemen, I wish you guys a great night. Enjoy the rest of your night here at Six Flags Great America. I recommend checking out and funnel cakes and grab yourself a yummy delicious funnel cake. Get some ice cream on that, get some Oreos on that. And then check out my favorite ride, the Joker.
Maybe a ride on Skytrek Tower is just what you need today.